Hi, Philip Griffith here again. We're now down to 9 weeks before Christmas, and as your professional photo organizer, I'd like to recommend that you consider a photo canvas for your holiday gift giving. This isn't of pictures, but we have our genealogy on this particular canvas. Photo canvases are great. They are another way of getting your pictures off your camera, off your phone, and into your life on the walls of your home. And they're very versatile. You can have one picture on multiple canvases, or you can have multiple photos on one canvas in a collage. You can also layer canvases in ways that are more difficult with framed photos. Again, one of the benefits of a photo canvas or having photos on your walls is just that family bonding. Seeing your loved ones, the places you love, the events that are special in your life are always that sort of making that constant deposit into the identity banks, the self-esteem and security bank. It just strengthens the family bonds. If you have any questions or would like to speak with us, you can schedule a phone call or leave comments below, and we'd be happy to talk with you, because we're here to help you use your photos to tell your story so that they'll last for generations.